Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickFunnels, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install ClickFunnels, start by visiting the official ClickFunnels website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign up process. You'll be directed to create an account. Fill in your email address and a secure password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button. Next, confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the ClickFunnels login page. Enter your email and password to log in. You'll then be taken to the ClickFunnels dashboard. Choose a plan that best fits your needs and proceed with the payment process. After payment, you'll gain access to the ClickFunnels suite of tools. To create your first funnel, click on the Build Funnel button. Select a funnel type from the provided options. Follow the prompts to name your funnel and configure settings. Once set, click Create Funnel to begin customizing it. Utilize the drag and drop editor to design your pages. Add elements such as text, images, and buttons as needed. When you're satisfied with your funnel, click the Save button. To publish your funnel, click on the Preview button to review it first. Check for any errors or adjustments required. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button. Now, your funnel is live and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.